Hey, welcome to Living Out Here. Guess what? If you want to see how to make this kids table right there, yep, hang out with me and let's go to work. So we're all guilty of it that use wood for different projects. Yep. So I'm gonna put it to good use. What do you mean by that? Well, since I built the desk, the little girl has been wanting a desk of her own. So let's get to building it. So this is gonna be the basic layout. Now, let's get to ripping some boards and mill them up and connect them all together. To make this a little faster, rather than you watching me cut a bunch of wood, we're gonna fast forward. And go. Now, this is what it looks like with it all milled down. There's some little gaps here and there, but I'm gonna pocket hole them, so I should be able to get away with this. So now, what I'm doing is I'm using the Craig pocket hole jig and pocket holing all these to these, and we'll see what it comes out like. So I'm not gonna bore you with that process. If you don't know how to use this, I'll drop a link here or here, whichever side, I don't know which one it is, to a video I just did making a tabletop. So I go into more detail about the Craig. Welcome to day 2 of this. So it's cold out. So if you hear a little bit of noise in the background, it's because of the heater. I got it going. So let's get to work. I think we're ready to cut it down and make it into the length and the width that we want. And then a little bit of change of plans. We are going to be wrapping the edges in this. So let's get to it. Now this is what the top looks like. All cut down to size. I guess we should start doing the board behind me and get some stripping for it. Let's cut it down to size. All right, guys. Let's burn through some sandpaper now. We got it all put together and got the stripping on. So let's burn through some sandpaper. So as you guys see, there's a pretty good lip right here. It's gonna take me forever to try to use the sander. So instead, I'm gonna try using the oscillating tool because I don't have a router. It'd be super easy if I did. So let's see how this works out. Well, guess what? I got hot. And Corey, if you're watching this, did you notice something right there? Yeah. I used it for you. I heard you. On another note, we are completely sanded. Now, it's time to clean up this mess that I have going on here. Now we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna hit it with some clear coat to protect it. This is how it turned out, and here are the legs attached, which I screwed on there. They're adjustable legs so we can raise it as she gets taller. I'd like to thank everybody, and if you liked it, hit that thumbs up button, and hit that subscribe button if you want more projects like this.